Hey guys, today we're going to unbox Philip's Sorry Bro book, if you guys remember that. So, let's get into the unboxing. Here's the packaging. I know it's a bit late for this. So I think I haven't done one of these in a while. Here we go. Toss that shit out. Here it is, the Ben Phillips Sorry Bro book, unsigned edition. Front and I'll show you guys a close-up of it in a minute. This tape gets off the hand. So here's the front of the book. This is his first ever book, the Sorry Bro one. There's Ben and Elliot. Yes, I know their videos are probably fake, but I don't really give a shit, to be fair, because they're funny. So yeah, here's Ben and there's Elliot, in case you guys forgot, which I don't know how you could do. And then there they are on the back. And yeah, here's all the back and stuff. There we go. Yes guys, I know I'm a bit late to this, but better late than ever, because this did come out in 2016 and I never got the chance to get one. So, that's what it's like on that page. Oh, this is bringing back memories. I'm not going to show you guys all the book, but I'll show you some of it. This is an animated thing, I remember that, the Ben and Elliot show. Pretty funny. Tell I'm an OG, can't you? Hey, there's Father Chris, Georgina, the Grandad, and... Oh, come on! And Nana, that's it, I remember. I've never seen in this book. How true it is, I don't know, but it's cool. That's in their old house as well, that. If you guys want to pause it, feel free to. Yeah, that's the next page. There they all are. I think that's his mum and dad there. I'm pretty sure it is. Elliot's younger self. He looks so different now. But don't we all? I may not talk for the rest of this, I may just flip through the books to show you all. Pretty sure that's meant to be Elliot there in his boxers. In frosted boxers. Ah, there's his old profile picture there. Yeah, this is all new content to me. I don't think guys will be able to read it, but I'm doing my best. I don't think this has ever been posted before, like in its full thing. What the hell are they doing there? I remember that one, that was funny, that one, and that one. And that one. And all of those. Watched all of these guys. So yeah, it looks like on my copy one of the pages was stuck together and it's just torn. Wow, I guess the book pranked me, good. So yeah, here it is. There's some more pages. Didn't tear that badly, I can easily fix it. I think that looks like Grandad there. Old table. I remember the video where they showed this off the first time. That was funny. His old caravan there. Ah, it's Fiesta with a parking ticket. Good old CP08 RMV. I bet you CP02N in here. That's the one they blew up with the tank, by the way. CP02 Arkea. It wasn't CP08, that was an explosion, but completely fake. But they're still cool though. I wasn't a fan of their newer content, like the ones they did in 2020. That's when they ruined it, I think. Oh, that's a cool car. Didn't think Elliot ever had one of them, but I mean, he had a red car. He had that red Audi RS5, didn't he? The CT19 DFN. I'm pretty sure it was. No, it did have a private plate on it. I reckon Georgina is Father Chris as well. It's gotta be. They look so similar. Been on plenty of them, ain't he? I do miss when they lived in that old house there. I remember their other one as well, the one with the green like sort of walls and stuff. That was a cool one as well. Like the one they did the bleach prank and also when they put in Elliot squash. You guys get the ones that I'm on about. I remember that one. That's a shit stain tank in the Fiesta. I can tell that's CPO8 just by the C's. That's how much of a nerd I am. I can tell if they use that car just by looking at the certain features of it. And I can tell if it's CPO2 as well. Because for starters, that was a 5-door Fiesta. And his normal one was a hatchback Fiesta, a 3-door one. So it's telling me they just bought CPO2 so they can do a bit more of the damage and stuff on that one, so it didn't actually wreck his car. Which would make a lot of sense. That was the one they used in the clown prank as well. It's a shame. Well, I don't know if it's a shame he don't upload anymore because it was starting to get ruined. When he got into the gambling stuff, oh God no. Probably still does that. Tesco on that phone. I think I remember that one. That prank they did on Elliot in our hotel room. That was funny. Oh, that blonde haired woman. Hey, that's an iPhone 7, I think. That's like all I'm filming on. Yes, I still do have my iPhone 7. I know it works for one of Ben Phillips giveaways. I remember that one. That was funny there. That was at their old house because it was at the garden lot. That's where he got buried as well that once. Still can't believe it originally supposedly started because of his alcohol addiction. And that's the end of the book. Bit pissed off that I ripped it, but oh well. He's what he is, ain't it? There's the back again. Shame we didn't have really any pictures of the cars or anything, but that's fine. There's the side of it in case you're in. Before you say anything, yes, I do have the School of Pranks one on the way as well, the 2018 one. This was his original one. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't done one of these in ages and ages and ages. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.